How to view not safe for work content on the Reddit app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to view not safe for work content on the Reddit app. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Reddit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Then if you scroll down underneath view options, you'll see there's an option to show not safe for work content. I'm over 18. So you need to toggle that one on. And as you can see, the next option down, it's just turned that on by default. So it says blur not safe for work images. So by default, when you see a not safe for work image, it will already be blurred. So you can turn that one off if you like, or you can leave it on if you want to blur the images. And that's all it takes to view not safe for work content on the Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.